Hey, it's Gina with WTI. The first time that I tried this LittleMum massager, I was like, how did they know? How did they know that that was exactly where I needed to get into to really reach those tight areas around my neck and back? I'm so impressed by how it just gets into those spots where I'm feeling discomfort. I've used lots of other implements before to really try to get into those areas around my shoulder blades, and it requires moving around a lot. And that's one thing that I appreciated so much about this massager is you don't have to move around a lot on it. It feels so good starting at the top of my neck and moving down actually into my lower back too. I found that using it in that first position on my neck and upper back, it worked really well when I would move my arms up and my legs down. As I moved into my middle back, I found that crossing my arms over my chest and kind of shimmying around a little bit really helped to get into those areas that I was having issues with. And then getting into my lower back, I found that keeping my knees bent for me worked really well. And then even kind of coming up on my back a little bit, balancing on it, and kind of just moving around a tiny bit worked very well for me. I feel like the design behind this works really well because of the crazy shape. I've never seen it on anything else before. This is a solid metal structure, which is covered with a soft and smooth, like rubber-like material that feels very good on your skin. I'm not going to be leaving home without this because it does the job perfectly. And that's my point of view.